Welcome to our Lattice How to Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through editing an unstructured data product to remove fine-grained access controls. On Lattice Pinboard, select the Edit icon on the data product. On the Unstructured Data Product page, the details will pre-fill. Select Continue. The Copilot Content Analysis will then pre-fill. Scroll down to select Continue. On the Transforms page, you will find the rules you applied to your data product when creating it, including the FGA rules. Select FGA rules in the navigation bar and they will appear. Delete the FGA rule, and you can then select Content Preview in the navigation bar to see that it has been removed. If you then wish to remove further FGA rules, you can retrace your steps and delete the rule. And once again, you might wish to preview the data content again to see the data with the FGA rule removed. Then select Continue and move on to finalize your edited data product. You can change details in the summary, including tabs, to reflect your data product and make it easily discoverable. Finally, republish your data product to the Pinboard to be discovered, used, and shared.